What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and today I have a simple and easy recipe. Today I'm making a chicken quesadilla. Alright? Look at it. I'm going to introduce it to my ingredients now. I have some nicely cut up chicken breast there, seasoned with a little bit of salt, black pepper, and a little bit of all-purpose for taste. Alright? So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have a little bit of Chinese cabbage there, what I'm using to. First I'm trying the Chinese cabbage, but let's see how it goes. And also some white onion and a little piece of scotch bonnet just for spice, you know. A little bit of soy sauce I might use. I have a little bit of olive oil there, and there I have some shredded Parmesan cheese. There I have my tortilla that I'm going to use. I'm using 2 of those tortillas, and also salt and black pepper for taste. Alright, so stay tuned while I show you what I want in my kitchen. Alright?
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, here I had my grill heat on about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna add a little bit of my olive oil to the grill just to kind of grease it, don't have anything to stick to it. And then I'm gonna go in with my chicken nicely now. I'm gonna add my chicken to the grill. There, as you can see, to the grill. Spread it out nicely, and I'm gonna allow that chicken to cook. Fast and easy. It won't take more than about 3 to 5 minutes for your chicken to cook. As you can see, quick and easy. So I have my chicken there. Continue turning it on the grill, because you want to get your chicken to cook easily and nice and ready to place on your tortilla to ensure that your quesadilla tastes so nice. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright? Looking good. Gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Add a lot. Soy sauce. Going back with a little bit of oil. We're going up with onion. Onion or scotch bonnet. Alright, so we're going with a Chinese cabbage. Salt, pepper, good. Over it. Alright. Shredded cheese. Nice to spread it. Until we put it on the end. Good. We're going now. Nice. chicken nice. Alright. More cheddar cheese. We're going in with another one. Gonna drop it on top here. And good. And then we're gonna turn it. Good, and it's ready. Let's go ahead and do a quick little cut. As you can see, I cut it up nicely in 4 pieces. Alright? And there you have it, guys. Chicken quesadilla, make easy on the Fitzy cooking show. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitz or need them on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Chicken quesadilla, I'm out. Love you know.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, but